Hey, traders. There's nothing much going on here today. A few stocks moving, but just another quiet day. You look at the markets here, these little narrow, tiny bars. Traders are just waiting for the news, Thursday and Friday economic news. Institutions just continuing to hope for confirmation of the rate cut that they've been anticipating all year. Went from 6 to 3 now, maybe. But anyway, news driven market is what it is. Not much going on here. Um, we're here in the green room looking for some trades. Even this Reddit that has been on fire, new issue, is setting up, and it still may set up in the latter part of the day here. You can see the 5 minute chart as it was turning up, and it's just an indication, something pulling back as far as this has so quickly after moving up. The traders are a bit nervous as to the ability to continue to move higher. They're not as aggressive, but they may become more so or less so in the latter part of the day. You can see the cues here, NASDAQ 100 just not doing much of anything. Looks like maybe it's going to go down here, possibly fill the gap. The Russell looking a little bit better, not much. I mean, it's coming real close to the moving averages here. The way I have this set up is the 20 is the blue line. The purple line is the 60 MA, which is equivalent to the 20 MA on the 15-minute chart. And the 200 is equivalent to the 20 on the hourly chart. So what I look for are stocks or markets that are above those moving averages, multiple time frames in alignment. And this is basing out like it may be ready to break out to the upside. The blue line is the open, and the red line is yesterday's close. So ideally, it would be above both of them. It's not, which indicates if it's going up, it'll be a scalp trade, which would be fine. And you see the others are, below the open as well, close down here, below the moving averages. So can these go down? Well, that goes up. Unlikely, but, we'll see. If this starts going up, maybe these will go up. So uncertainty, things are out of alignment. We'll keep an eye on that. One I just saw that came across, and my alert was Net. It's a software infrastructure stock. Earnings are the 25th. So next month, a month from now. So that's got room. And you can see it's above the 50 MA. I want to see if it closes this way. And if it does, we'll look for this to go higher. I like the way that's shaping up. The 5 minutes in a beautiful uptrend above the moving averages, trending higher. And looks like it might be able to get up to that pivot up there. You can see on my charts there. Other than that, what's moving here in the Dow, I got this sorted by percent change on the day. So looking at what's up on the day, they're not even an uptrend. So a little looking for undervalued, beaten down stuff, play some catch up like Honeywell there. And looking at the S&Ps, what's strong? Well, that gapped up. That looks like it can go higher. An igniting gap out of that base. It'll need to consolidate a bit. Seagate coming up off of the low there, and NASDAQ 100, what's in there? Tesla, kind of bringing up the rear. It's been in the downtrend for a while, but some accumulation going on there. That's backing off. So we'll see how this day shapes up. I hope this helps. If you got any questions, comments, just put them in the chat there, and or email me, Greg@mastertrader.com.